be your friend. I wanna know if it matters.